國際上近美國路易斯安那州發生嚴重槍案，嫌犯是一個退伍軍人，伊分3個所在犯案，甲8個囡仔攏大死，這其中嘛包括伊家己囡仔。最後家己嘛佇咧逃亡時陣，去互警察大死，這犯案的動機是閣愛調查。
這件重大的槍案是發生在美國路易斯安那州第3大城西夫波特。警方表示，19早起6點接到報案，抓準是普通的家庭糾紛，也毋過入去現場才知影是重大的槍案，而且8個死者攏是囡仔。
8 of these individuals are deceased. The ranges of the decedents are from 1 year of age to approximately 14 years of age. All of the deceased in this case are juvenile.
This is a tragic situation, maybe the worst tragic situation we've ever had in Shreveport. And so right now we're going to process the information. It is in very good hands.
根據警方的講法，屍體內底發現的7個囡仔已經明顯死亡，而且佇屍體後壁厝頂又閣發現一個囡仔斷氣，判斷應該是佇想要逃走的時，互人槍殺。警方確認8個死者當中有嫌犯家己的囡仔，嫌犯佇搶人的車逃走的過程當中，互警方甲斷死。警方表示，攏總有3個案發地點，另外3個受害者包括2個成年的女性甲1個青少年，其中2個女性重傷。
There are 8 children that are deceased. I can't be strong for you. I think about the mother and what this family has lost.
We as a community, black, white, Republican, Democrat, need to stand together and fight for what is right. This is nothing but pure evil.
上新的消息，犯案的人是31歲退伍軍人夏馬爾·埃爾金斯。伊佇犯案前一天，捌佇社群媒體打一張伊甲查某囝的相片，也毋過真正的犯案動機，也閣需要警方釐清。包括美國眾議院議長甲路易斯安那州州長，攏有刊文對這場悲劇表達哀悼。公視新聞，景冠慶編譯。